Hello everyone and welcome back to NotesNaka. In this video we're going to talk about image restoration. So what is image restoration? Restore, bring back the image that has been degraded. So suppose you have an image that you already had took from your phone, suppose, and then you send it to your friend, like suppose on WhatsApp. Then we all know that the quality gets degraded when we send it to someone with WhatsApp and all. So that is known as image degradation. So bringing back the same image, bringing back the same content that we know that it has been degraded, and then we remove the degradation to bring back the same image is known as image restoration. Here we try to identify the degradation process and then attempt to reverse it. It is quite similar to enhancement, but here we are trying to recover the original image if the image has been degraded by some means. So that is what the WhatsApp example was for. So image enhancement is subjective, and that means that we know what we want to do with it. It depends on us how we want to enhance it. But image restoration is objective. That is, we have to know the prior knowledge of the, we have to have the prior knowledge of the degradation so that we can reverse the degradation. So that is image restoration. After restoration, it is still not the original image, but it is very similar. So after applying all this image restoration, we cannot still say that it is our original image. It is still not the original one, but it is very similar to the original one. First, there is degradation of image, and then only restoration is applied. If there is no degradation, if we have no function of degradation, we cannot reverse it. So first degradation has to happen on the image, and then only restoration can happen. Now the most popular type of degradation that happens is the noise. So we have noise introduced in our image. So when does this happens? It happens during two times, that is during digitization and during transmission due to interference. So when we transfer it over a network, due to many interference of signals and all, it gets noise, and also during digitization. So how does a noisy image look like? Mathematically, g of xy is equal to f of xy plus n of xy. So this is our noise, and this is added into our image, and this is our resultant image. This is the noise or degradation. If we can identify this, then we can remove it and then get our original image back. So this was the introduction of image restoration. In the next video we will talk even more about it. Till then, take care and bye bye.